Good day everyone, welcome once again to my channel, The Great Check, and once again this is Jerry, and in this video we're gonna be talking about how to check your security and maintenance status of your computer's health. And through this powerful feature of Windows 7, which is security and maintenance, it can help you. Even your computer could give you some of the information about issues pertaining to your computer's health. And this screen, I'm gonna be showing to you how to open the security and maintenance sections, or the security and maintenance window of this powerful feature, wherein you can really pinpoint the problems of your hardware software through one of its part is the reliability monitor. So let's continue, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so please subscribe now so that you'll be informed also, because we're gonna be having some or many videos regarding how to explore your computer, especially your Windows operating system. And it has so many features, wherein if you really deepen the wonderful operating system of Windows, you can really appreciate it. And this will also help you to be aware of also that sometimes, even though we already know, even though sometimes we take our computer to the computer shop or repair shop because we don't know how to fix it, but actually there are already powerful features our computer or our Windows has, but because we don't know yet, or we don't know that one, so there is a possibility that we will take even a simple problem to be fixed to the computer shop. So just continue. I will share to you how to open the security and maintenance sections of or how to check your security and maintenance status in your Windows 10. So the first one is, I will show you how to open that up. Is just have this one, this folder here. This is an Explorer. So if you can see this part here, then if you click this PC, and then right click this part here, then you can see the properties. You can see the menu, the properties, one of the choices. So as you can see on the screen, so this is the window of your system. So if you have this one here, so there is a security and maintenance here, this part here. If you see it on the screen, security and maintenance part that you can choose. If you click this one here, then you will be taken to this window. So if you see here the security and maintenance, and later on I will elaborate more regarding how to use this and how it will help you in your problem. But that is one of the ways of how to open this security and maintenance feature of your Windows 10. But the second one is you just have this one here, control panel, and then system and security, and then security and maintenance, and you can still go to this part here. So it's up to you which one you will choose, but you can choose any of those ways to open this as what I said, powerful feature of Windows 10 to detect or to give you information about the issues pertaining to your computer's health. So as what I said, so here this security part, or this security section, there are two sections pertaining to this security and maintenance, the security part and the maintenance part. if you see here, there's an arrow down. This is a drop down. If you click this one here, then you can see some of the features inside this feature. And also maintenance, you have this one also, and you can take also any of those. You can also have choices still under the maintenance and also the security. And if you see here, this also already message that no issues have been detected by security and maintenance. So that means your computer is in good health and there's nothing to worry about it. But if there's a problem with your computer, especially its health, then it will be displayed here. So but if you are not like, if you don't trust what it says to you, even though it has no issues, but if you don't see your problem listed, you can have this one also. If you don't see your problem listed, let's say there's a problem that you have encountered while using the Windows or your operating system, but in here there's no issues have been detected by security and maintenance, so you can have this recovery part here to refresh your PC without affecting your files, reset it and start over. But inside this security feature, there are features also that you can choose. So if you see here, network firewall, so this will really also protect your device from any, especially if you're connected to a network. And if you want your computer to be protected, so you can just turn this on, the Windows this part here, it's on. Actually it's already on because it's default. So virus protection, I have the Avast antivirus turned on here. If your computer has no other antivirus, then actually your Windows Defender, which is a built-in antivirus, could help you to be protected from any viruses. But if you want to have another one, so you can see here as what I have here, Avast antivirus. And also internet security settings, and all internet security settings are set to their recommended levels, so it's okay. I put the default also of the Windows 10 is also default okay. So user account control, the next time, if you are next video we're going to talk about user account control feature also, which is also a powerful feature that you need, everyone needs to know about this. And there's an on, which is also the default, but if you want to change that one, you can have this also, then have this one here. So anyway, later on, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe so that you'll be notified how to use also this very powerful feature, which is the user account control. So and then click also your notification bell so that you will be notified if I already upload a new video regarding many things, not only user account control, about videos about this user account control, but many things that you can really learn from this through this channel. So that's it. This how to this is what is being displayed, that tells you that your computer is running well and it has no problem, as the security and maintenance have displayed here. But maintenance also, you need to know what is this about, so it can report problems, view reliability history, and then so on. If we want to click this one here, then we have the reliability monitor, as what it says here. So we have the red one with X and the blue one with like exclamatory, and the red one is really critical, and the blue one is almost critical. If you also see the yellow ones, those are cautions. So if you see this part here, there are what this red one's all about, and these are the issues the problem history that the reliability monitor displayed here, and it has also the dates, and that is really cool. If you have encountered, or your computer has encountered many problems while you are using it, then it is displayed here. So critical events, search and content application, and web companion, so it's here. And then we'll go back, and that's how to, so that you may know which one you should which one you should fix, and then how to fix it. Then Google can help you too. And here we have the automatic maintenance, so no action needed. If you want to have this change or start your maintenance, you can click this one here, and you have the maintenance is in progress. So if you want to stop it, then you can also stop that one by clicking that one. Change maintenance settings, you can also have that one. And then run maintenance task daily, and I have this one every 2 a.m. so it has the automatic maintenance for my computer. And the next one is home group. So if you have the home group, you want to create a home group, then you can have this one here. But because no home group is available, is displayed here, so you can so it's like it is what is displayed in a home group, because home group is not available. And then I tried to click this one, but it has no display. There's no another window displayed, so because it has no home group, and my computer has no home group. So next one is file history. So the file history is off, the default, but if you want to turn that on, then you can have that turn. Searching for drives, then blah blah blah. But anyway, it's up to you if you want to turn that on, but for me it's just fine. Anyway, no usable drives were found, it says here, but it's all up to you. Just have that one if you want to have it. Then the following activities of your computer will be put here, and even your some other like opening of files also, and pertaining to your file opening and making of files. So it is saved into this sub feature. And then drive status, all drives are working properly, so you can also find here the drives are, if your drives are working properly or not, and the default is okay, and then it is displayed here. Device software, no action needed. So these are the things that you can see inside these two sections, so security and maintenance. And if you want to change your security and maintenance settings of these two sections, then you can just go to this part here, the left side of your screen, under the control panel home part, and then change, if you read this one here, change security and maintenance settings. So if then you can see here, you can turn messages on or off. So that means that whatever is checked here, and for security messages, then it is also displayed here. And that one, you see this one, network firewall, virus protection, internet security settings, user account control, and that is under the security section. And what is displayed here is also what is being checked here, what is checked here. So that's it. And also including this one, maintenance messages. If you want to turn this on and off, just if you want to turn this off, and then just take this one here to uncheck it, and then it will not be displayed in there, including this one also. So it's all up to you, whatever is good, or whatever makes you happy, then do it. And if you want to know your computer's health, and then you can just visit this feature by doing what I've shown you, and this would also help you, and you'll be happy if there are no issues being detected by the security and maintenance. And if it has a problem, then you can also resolve that one. If the Windows could resolve that one, then it is easy for you also to resolve it. And if you cannot find any solution, then you can go to another way, and then it's easy for you also to really find solutions and fix it by yourself. So that's it, that's all guys, and hopefully through this video we also learned something that would help us to deepen our understanding of how our Windows 10 really works, and its features also, which could help us to make our computer really in health. So don't forget to subscribe and click your notification bell. If we have new videos uploaded, then you'll be notified also. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day. God bless us all.